Okay, this is a brand new LED core lamp by GE. It's 35 watt and it's made to replace this 70 watt metal halide lamp. As you can see, they're the same size, so you'll no longer have any issues fitting the LED corns in the fixtures for this size. Um, a little bit about it. It's 50,000 hours. It comes in either 4K or 5K. The length is 5.4 inches, as you can see, and it's equal to a 70 watt metal halide or 70 watt high pressure sodium. It's 140 lumens per watt, so it's on the high end of industry standards. It's instant on to full brightness. There is a 5-year warranty. It comes with an inline fuse right here, and it also comes with the LED driver and internal fuse inside that offers surge protection. Other than that, it's just a 5-year warranty, made by GE, really nice lamp. And just give us a call at the lighting spot if you have any questions. Thank you.